Varun Dhawan was all set to tie knots with his childhood sweetheart Natasha Dalal in a summer 2020 wedding. However, owing to the current environmental situation due to COVID-19, the couple have decided to push their summer 2020 wedding to November 2020. As per a source close to the couple, post Varun Natasha's intimate Roka ceremony which took place before the lockdown at the to-be bride's Mumbai residence, the couple zeroed down to Thailand for their destination wedding, which later got shifted to Jodhpur and then finally to Mumbai, which they decided to be a low-key intimate ceremony. But now that plan too has been cancelled amid the coronavirus spread. However, it is said that Varun and Natasha have reverted to their first choice of destination wedding, Thailand, for their November nuptial ceremony. Speculations were at its peak that Ranbir Kapoor were all set to finally settle down and tie knots with his girlfriend Alia Bhatt in 2020. Well, it was decided to be an intimate ceremony due to his late father's ill health back then. Recently, it was reported that Rishi Kapoor along with the entire Kapoor family even agreed to Ranbir's decision of having a low-key wedding with around 45 people respecting their son's decision of privacy. But due to the lockdown, it was said that the couple had to postpone their wedding to December 2020, amid which the veteran actor Rishi Kapoor passed away, due to which now it looks like the lovebirds will have to wait till next year to tie their knots as they have to abide by the wedding rituals post a death in the family. Ali Fazal and Richa Chadha were all set to tie knots in April 2020. The couple even applied for registration to their marriage for a summer wedding and applied for marriage registration at the Bandra Family Court. As per the marriage registration rules, the wedding could have taken place anytime post March 15, but now, owing to the global coronavirus pandemic, the couple have decided to push their April 2020 wedding to October 2020. The news has been confirmed by their spokesperson in a statement that the couple wish for everyone to be healthy and safe and at no cost would want their friends and family and well-wishers to be affected. They further added, it is not safe to venture out at this time and we don't know how long this will go on. Ali's extended family is based in Canada and owing to the travel restrictions, they couldn't be here in April. So October seems feasible as of now. Everything else remains the same, including the venue, outfit plans and teams involved. Farhan Akhtar was also planning to get wedlock with his fiancée Shibani Dandekar, which was likely scheduled to be around the release of his film Tufan. As per speculations, the couple even began with the preparation of their wedding. The duo, in an interview addressing to the speculations, even stated, "In April we may." But now it looks like the couple who are enjoying their love-filled time getting locked down together will have to put their wedding plans on hold for the pandemic. Amy Jackson got engaged to George Panayuto in January 2019. The duo exchanged rings in the southern province Zambia, post which the couple then threw an engagement party on May 5, 2019 and revealed that they are expecting their first child in October, post which they were planning for a Greek-style wedding in Greece once their baby turns a few months old in 2020. The new parents even have locked down the locations for the beachside venue for their 2020 wedding, which has now been put on hold for COVID-19.